Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you on how to multiply scientific notations. I have 4 examples here for you. Let's answer the first one. Here we have 2 times 10 raised to 4 multiplied by 3 times 10 raised to 8. So in multiplying scientific notations, there are two things we will do basically in this example. So first, we will multiply that number 2, okay, this number 2, and then this 3. And then we will add the exponents of 10. So it will be 2 times 3 times 10 raised to 4 plus 8. So we all know that 2 times 3 is equal to 6, and of course 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. And of course, not all problems are like that. So let's answer a different problem. Well, it's multiplication of scientific notations, but we need to finalize the answer because there's something we need to know when we finalize an answer. So here we have 4 times 10 raised to 2 multiplied by 7 times 10 raised to 3. Of course, we will multiply 4 times 4 times 7 rather. And of course, you know the answer to that. And at the same time, we will also add the exponent. So that will be 4 times 7 times 10 raised to 2 plus 3. So 4 times 7, we all know that's 28, and then 2 plus 3, that equals 5. Now, this is not the final answer because what we have here is a 28. So this number here should be from 1 to 9. So meaning it should be 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, something like that. So the decimal point is obviously here. So we need to move the decimal point to the left. Once we do that, we will add 1 to the exponent. Why 1? Because we move the decimal point once. So if we move the decimal point 2 times, we also need to add 2 to the exponent, and so on and so forth. So here, the final answer is going to be 2.8 times 10 raised to 6. Let's have another example. So here we have 0.7 times 10 raised to negative 4 multiplied by 0.3 times 10 raised to negative 1. Again, we will multiply 0.7 and 0.3, and then we add the exponents. Don't be confused. That's the same as negative 4 plus negative 1. I don't know why did I put the minus 1 there instead of plus negative 1. By the way, these two, they're the same, okay? But don't be confused. It will be negative 4 plus negative 1. So 0.7 times 0.3 is equivalent to 0.21, and of course negative 4 plus negative 1, or negative 4 minus 1, is equal to negative 5. By the way, it's addition, okay? It's addition. It's negative 4 plus negative 1. So again, we need to do something with this number here because it's less than 1. It should be from 1 to 9. So that means we need to move the decimal point this time to the right side. Okay, to the right side. So when we move the decimal point to the right side, we will subtract 1 from the exponent. So in example number 2, we added 1, right? Because we moved the decimal point to the left. Here we will move the decimal point to the right side 1 time, so we will subtract 1 from the exponent, and this is going to be the final answer. 2.1 times 10 raised to negative 6. Okay, let's go to the last example. Here we have 840 times 2 times 10 raised to 4. So basically what I want to do here first is to convert that 840 to scientific notation. So it's going to be equal to, again, so here the decimal point is somewhere here. We move that decimal point to the left twice. That's why we have an exponent 2 here. So this 840 is equivalent to 8.4 times 10 raised to 2 multiplied by 2 times 10 raised to 4. And then we will multiply 8.4 and 2. So 8.4 times 2 is equivalent to 16.8. 2 plus 4 obviously is equal to 6. And then again, we need to do something with the decimal point. This is 16 is beyond 1 to 9. It should be 1 point something, 2 point something, etc., etc. So we need to move the decimal point 1 time to the left. So once we do that, we will add 1 to the exponent. So the final answer is 1.68 times 10 raised to 7.